it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, I'll tell you what, this O'Keefe's Working Hands is a lifesaver for me. Come wintertime, my hands crack, okay, because it's so dry out. And there's one particular crack that I have to have this stuff on every day, or else the crack ends up down. And so you can see that crack right there on my thumb. Now, obviously, your right thumb, if you're right or left-handed, but right thumb gets used a lot, right? So my fingers here and here, and this crack right here goes right down to the meat. I'll tell you what, it hurts a lot. So I just throw my thumb in there like that, and I mix it around and make sure it gets into that crack. And like I say, and that's what it looks like, and that's what I have to do every day. And I'll tell you, it hurts. It hurts a lot. But I'll tell you what, O'Keefe's, it is good stuff. It is 100% best thing you ever had. Even the wife uses it. All right, that's my review.